as a school report ni betimi efi bebia aba.
Oh, okay.
What I'm trying to say in say
Wow.
sa condition na ejina so ye this 2.5 years emma won, you need to have it at the back of your mind say for the duration of the 2.5 years, you need to continue having responsibility for that child. If
Okay.
for one reason or the other, you don't have responsibility for that child, now obi echo report emma efficacy mufwa. That could be a reason why I bet me a revoke in kratana yede amount. So sometimes asem ya ye ken ye nim say obi wo ho no ma na ohwe ne ba ne pepepe, but e bia na ye oba ne se fasike bi bra in a certain time we nya sika ni bia anye den amfa ma no na wakoye report say won hwe akwala. It may not necessarily be true say won hwe akwala no, but report na koye den akodi efficacy mu for ho. You need to understand say enye so ubu weni egusu. If things like that happen, you need to take action and no one asem ne ye kan. Secondly, let's give example of omo IG care visas are omo backroom
Aha,
hase. I
ehwa
know
na me
you
pese me
very
ko lawyer. Mun share video ne nko Ghana. Careful no momra, nurses fo momra, careful no momra, mo ba mu dwe nye dwe no. Momra, mo free Ghana emra. Mesra mun share video ne nko Ghana wate. Na sa nurses fo ne careful no. Obi dwetre, obi maami koko. Ena wode akosi awowa, ena wode ne ba eba as a healthcare assistant. Ehwo en ye nwia, nyame yadoma new year no. Ye betoa the same enkomo yi eso ye ne lawyer ya e betoa so enti aha wadru careful eho obebo bia tofa lawyer ye nko careful so
careful no. Very very important to understand say ye de sa care visa no emma na ye catch us say work permit in valid for 3 years, and I say work permit in valid for 5 years. Ye the amount because oka say oba be ye ejuma ama sponsor, only a friend sponsor no oba be ye ejuma ama no. So uba kronimu na for one reason or the other when me anko ye ejuma no e bia wo ye application no sponsor na say me per drivers me po mo timi car twi also because o person uba abroad no wakoma obi akoye international license e the amount e me de wa be do kronimu efe
ah
ube do ye efe ye the car na man say twi car no ye ntwa untimi ntwi car no near Siko
any
Tinafi.
accident
Okay, for one reason or the other, no, you are not being able to drive, and as only me a juma and master sponsor. No. So why
otimi
nye a juma for when you juma for 10 working days without approval from sponsor now, the sponsor has a duty say or be make a report ama home office for say a juma na yedema for the last 10 days umba a juma ye. And for that reason into efficacy for be 60 days say ye twa won crack animal, and within that 60 days either say say we pay another employer and I say another sponsor and I say offer kwan fufuru bi a would be rectify wo enkrata and e was a kwan no so nti eno so yetimi agifi wo sem. Secondly, see the sponsorship we no COS and as a certificate of sponsorship ne ma na okoje visa ni ebwie na wo ba krom ha, you need to understand say for the next 3 years and I say for the next 5 years your leave to remain is tied into the success of that
of the
company.
company no
Intimate, let's assume say a bia through no fault of yours. Na company na akoye bibi enye so moye. Na ye G license ni efi company ne ensa.
asiegu
Wonso won krata also ayeden ashe. Into for that reason say wonso
dawari na
okope obi
abawagi
and I say okope another sponsor now or sponsor within the next days and I say oh switch employment. These are some of the things that people need to be aware of. Say, yeah, they crack and Emma we all the time say we walk by. A bimu wo ho no ma ubo see the sponsorship license and as the visa na ama na ewie ma na backronym or background pa on report no afa bi the ogin say oh me 5 years na ebo mu ntini me okay there be entisa
student
this same and number beka no we ma no aduane if your students the same as omo say sa we no certificate of sponsorship your friend of course e ma nurses no omo ye student in your friend a CAS, certificate
Cars.
of acceptance. Almost the same principle that applies to students. Into the say yes, brakrum ha na saying yes, koye application for student visa okay. That's what near the amount area. Now buy no one go school for the last 10 days. Don't assume said the fact that student visa and ebo on krata and man as crowd biometric card and inti catch say a bill in the next 2 years. O da so ewo en krata ewo krom ha say if you won't one co school for 10 days, the university need to report it to the home office. The home office then gives you 60 days to make sure say we're finding another school and answer over trauma the plans that you have, whether say we'll come back to the house and answer will fee maybe I will fee a buyer and answer we'll switch it to nursing and answer whatever circumstance our person would do the effort. So people need to understand say and the amount conditions and you need to maintain those conditions. So while maintaining those conditions are a bit me affected. Let's come quickly to our favorite people, EU nationals.
Yay!
Any
What's
of
your
the
favorite people?
Yembra EU nationals for EU nationals for our omo backroom has say our omo kofa omo ebusia for eba. Obi ohonoma okofa neba aba. Okay, okofa neba ye no ebia neba ne edi 20 years, we 21 years. Di grandpa akola na okofa neba ye no obedu krum ha say no na wafa ye funu. That I have seen quite a few. And
Oh, just all ban no onyem dada.
on the ojim dada ukra ho nim ho hwe no abedu. Inti no obedu wie ye no ohwe the way as living situation in it nipa ne di 21 22 oye na adwuma bi kra pa sika oje no edoso chen wo a wokofa ne bae no kra wo sika wo ye den oje and then on the utifie no what that means in say wo benefit wo kweku a wo je no ebe ho betu chima because ye beti so nti no behwe na ekasakasa bebre eye den ekoso fie ni awo ne ti ko say meba me ba be ma wa ba but kronim amu ayede me benefit
Won't mean you so address no because when you so address na kwaku no so bete.
Kwaku no so bete. What we are saying is say yede enkrata no ema akwala no because wo argument ne say sa akwala no o depende ewo so or dependent on you. Na say or dependent on you na say akwala no abedu krom ha say ewie na say sisia on depending on you adenti na so no esi e man krata na that means say it can be revoked, they can cancel it until so otu kwan na so oba no do airport and also we jumim dakro na efikesi mu for eba ho ne yehwe ne check in address na enye bebi a ne papa etina eho na yetimi agi enkrata na efi wonsem Udu airport so yetimi agi enkrata and efi wonsem. These are some of the things that people need to be aware of because yet the conditions in a ujina so near the enkrata and at the mount. The same thing applies to our refo. Wako ware wo yire, wako ware wo kunu, ode na backroom ha say. Ode ne backroom ha say na there are so many conditions that you need to meet. One of the conditions you have to meet is you are in a relationship which is subsisting. For immigration rules anymore. The relationship is subsisting. That means it's a relationship now one ejina hopping tea bibia e koso kama munyamoti inti say wo yire ne ba anase wukunu ne eba na mu decide say akasakasa inti no me name me oba na entina bio me metu akotina bia. That means that the relationship is no longer subsisting. Inti no nkrata na ye dia ma hono esi etimi eden agi efi wonsem yetimi cancel yetimi revoke. When things like this happen, home office for ebe ma notice say ye ba be eden ye ba be cancel and as ye ba be trim.
Lawyer me pacho me ba aware ne nko na home office betwam na ma wo notice ana say ni nyina no enkrata wo boboso student de carers de dependent waka dependent de ene aware wo bi awaye aware a ni kunu no wonhunu ni kunu ayira ni kunu so ne na gyan eno ni nyina no home office bebre wo notification ama waya awe ana say de aware for de ya wo kan eno nko an waka so home office will notify you ni nyina no home office be mo ya we si etwam
omuniano ni niano home office ebe ma notice si e betwe nti obe ma ebi o hono ma 60 days say and as obi o ma 20 days say matisa story we nti no within the next 20 days in a reply to the allegations ye make it we
then obi wo ho a lawyer watu kwan na wo ba because me home office fo atwro me anoma email me say ye cancel won krata na ye de ama no ye revoke a me ntumi na enko ene no nsma do suko but say obi wo a watu kwan most ni omo matu kwan na omo ba yes scanning the passport na yes won krata na atwam kura dada enti so omo ma ye notice a then
let me give you the reason why I saw problem ne eta eba up. And pain be brain no enkrofo a omo ye application ewo abakrum ha say no. Ebia na enye ono ankasa na eye application no. Inti no lawyer bi ewo baby ana connection man bi wo baby ana say the yere no crampo na eye application e man no. All ye application no or the Nigerian email address or the or they share applications. Address now or so or your application with two if you honor. Intino when the notice comes in, embe kawansa. Intino say catch or say what are your options? And only one of the things I was coming to advise I mean the Bible and for say. So Uwo Krum has saying that's a Uwo biometric card. BRP card in Ibia. Na say a year 2.5 years, a year 3 years work permit, a year 5 years work permit. Anytime be our best email address. Anytime be our best physical residential address. No, make sure say obe update home.
Oh, lawyer, where freezy, come.
Anytime be our ube decide they say. O sesa wo address o sesa wo email address na enkrata na wo kra no wa unkra British passport wa unkra indefinite leave to remain a year 2.5 years tot ni bi na wo kra and now so say a year 3 years work permit and now 5 years work permit advice am the be ma on say anytime be a o best some address no go on the home office portal website. You don't even need to call them. There is a link that you can go there and update those details on the home office website, and then automatically they will have your current details on their system. The reason why it is important to do that, and they say that should be then they will be able to bring that notice to our residential address, and not
lawyer, dear workers is some me machine, not as all patch say. Obi a say bia because say obi a wo ba abrochire bia kura card na wo kan ye no.
Yes.
BRP. Not just say obi a wo afei no wo ba abrochire ye ma ne nkrata no. Anase ama 2.5 years no. Utu bia wo say wo call update home office. Wo change address bia na e wo say wo change wo call home office na we inform you mo.
That is it, because it is in your own interest. Say we be catch efficacy for. Say their email be bar and a letter be bar on set near then akabi.
Yo, adofo me patch of free will be manimro. Me pesa metena ha. Na ye be di bronya 25 a ye wi nkuko funu no. Obi di sun be frem say sister abena ye twa me nkrata mu, auntie abena ye twa me nkrata mu, free will be manimbra. Because where ye wi a lawyer Daniel 25 friend na wonfa. Ye wie program we ya me wie. Me ba cho monfa lawyer number to screen so. Ye wie dwumadie we ya frɛ lawyer. Enkofo a ye cancel wo monkrata wo kromi ha no. Afedie ye too much. Bebre na asechina mitimitena se wo akwantuo mu nsamo a e na meka ho asem. Bebre na no ye yenye Ghana fo no. Ana yenye no a yenye no ene ye de ho ekoma wo mo enti sese no omu cancel nkofo nkrata papa versus enti me pacho frɛ wo bi ne ka kyerɛ ne sɛ lawyer abɛtena se ɛmfa wo ne sɛ woyɛ nurse yo ebia nurse na like me hu sɛ de menka ɛmfa wo ne sɛ woyɛ student ebia wo student visa na wo de ba wo da so school ho ba wo ye bibi to so ɛmfa wo ne sɛ wo kura indefinite leave to remain ebia wo indefinite no eye kuntunkuni lawyer kasa no lawyer ka say obi wo ho a ogina ne ba so na gye sa ho no na ye me de because enkofo bebre agina wo moma so agye nkrata wo kromi ha owi ano atwe ne ho na me de minim se kromi ha mra kire se wo banko a wa hade a wotumi wo ye bema na wo gina wo ba so na wo renew na wo yire ne kura kaso ma wo letter lawyer fo ya beka tro se fa oba ne ko Ghana court enti minim se wo gina wo ba so gye nkrata there is nothing ye betimi atwa wo nkrata but lawyer ekasa no 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 de sha ase se mu beti a me pulso no na me ka se lawyer ehwo no ka ho ni biom enti no me pa wo chaw program any program we eye Christmas edition ebia next week mutra anye ya menye program because menye ye kase pa menye ye kakraka or say address bia wo beko ebia wo ni permanent house unto fie efie no nya wo di akora cancel ma wo dan enti wo kwotena baabi a ekrom yenye meme baburo kire fie ametutu efie makotena mu nyina me wo bi address oni nyina wo mitirim because men tutututu baabi makotena baabi tu pe ebia wo what of release ho no watena baabi be 4 wunim ye email ukura wunim o se email keke www.co.uk wunim u change wo email a o se free home office na bona mane we wo free lawyer ko be ka cho say consultation be juska ba wa kire wo se ko home office portal eso na wan kasa no ko ne ko change no efiri ho share video na won share frɛ wo bi a won frɛ wo ba ye na maworo me ho eyi so fo ma me na aworo ne hu ka wo dimirika ne nko a share ne ka kire wo nua bi fa lawyer number 2 screen so me pa mo chew 412 number na ye wi a bibia problem e bia wonimu se ne wo beye ne nso so a o frɛ lawyer tafrement obeye de amount lawyer ko address na so na wa address
ni asem ne de ehu hia me pa because for more than more than 10 occasions wo honoma bon say aware for anankro for omo relationship mu na omunya hu say omo yire ne etu kwan omo kunu ne etu kwan pe ni akofre home office ni abo omo amani
lawyer me pa cho me ba let me honor yenya nkasa Ghana fo nyina obi o platform ne so bia obi ansalotu eye Mrs. Asaribotwe obi biara o platform ne so bia salute her honorable we salute you, we appreciate the good work that you are doing, keep it up, we salute you a lot, we honor you. All right, lawyer me pacho yenko eye dwumedie no eso.
Yo, intino options are available to individuals are may receive notice say ye trap money there. It does be brave, but it's very, very important. Says I notice na ye at least ubenye aware of it. So when you're aware of it, how do you deal with the problem? And you know, who 2.5 years, yes, ye try 2.5 years. Unim hoshe, yes, ye trip. Who crowd card or the on na wo koba. Who go to kwan travel buy a mawanye de.
Good.
So the key thing is you need to be able to get the notification if you decide to say you be travel cracking. And no the amount of advice. Yeah, and the amount of advice is say always until so be now indefinite in it, making sure say home office aware of your current whereabouts all the time. Now say the notice be bar one side then I can.
Lawyer so be a obenya ni indefinite. Unya indefinite krana still who hold the Ghana passport. me fa ne se yenya ye ba abrochira che no ye indefinite ye sticker eteta ye passportum indefinite ne ye sticker ene eteta ye passportum enye ne ya ye mo ye indefinite ye ma mo card me bo lawyer enti
Yes,
no
and I'm paying
wo
no
free
card. Yeah.
Ghana ba wakọ Ghana na wo ba lawyer say ye ma notification enti update yourself wo free Ghana na wo ba na wo wonimu say o Ghana passport na say o visa wo indefinite leave to remain because lawyer wo ka say wunyanya wo indefinite dia da bia no you have to update was so update wo ho wo by your email and also address where you so but obinye ni indefinite leave to remain order so kra sa card no ebi enye yenya ye kura eye tete passport me passport we say eye Ghana passport atwam ahye enti no na wo cancellation wo so enti enye papa we ye fake enti lawyer obi a okura eye indefinite eye biometric no send your no so ka ho they can revoke it.
Say ukra indefinite leave to remain and sana ye be revoking and I said the conditions and as circumstances are be revoking are very limited. Unlike Omomukra limited leave to remain, 2.5 years and the visas. Let's give examples. Say Ebia Ukra indefinite leave to remain.
Yes.
Unless it say the Uka no wakofa obi primark na washe in a
Uh-huh.
wooden. So what you see, then you don't need to be worried. Say ukra will indefinite because say enama kwalasu ena winya will indefinitely to remain. Now all of a sudden, let's say one share akwalani bio. Na obi efre efficacy mu for say akwala na ujina no so I didn't crack animal no unhwe ni bio ma.
Yeah.
Home office phone timi nka say because of that into ye jail indefinite if you won't say.
Everyone
It is
say.
not possible.
Okay.
Anan sɛ wogyina ɔbaa so na wode nya wo nkrataa na wo ne ɔbaa no agyae a ɛnyɛ because of that nti ne yɛbɛgye indefinite leave to remain ayɛ dɛn ɛfi wo nsɛm nti
Okay.
no the conditions a yɛde bɛgye indefinitely ɛfi wo nsɛm ɛyɛ very very limited but it is very important to understand sɛ wokura indefinite leave to remain nso a wokɔ amanɔne a wontumi nkɔtena a place like Ghana for more than 2 years. Okay, because Ukotna Ghana continuously for 2 years now when Iraq Kronima, yeah, by Jane Cratan if you want to. And
Okay.
only the any notice be a omo debema a condition a can indefinitely leave to remain. And when they say, yeah, the indefinitely leave to remain amount. What could Ghana 2 years? Yeah, Jeff yourself. So
Okay.
we year application for returning residents and sana. Why then? What back Kronimo back? Let's come to omo skilled workers. You know, skilled workers are more mukra nursing, care for near adiena. Yaka say, and also etimi edge and krata if you send because one krata no is tied into the success of the business who sponsored you.
You are
You know,
right.
let's assume say a company now odiomo ebaye no company no has been liquidated and as a company no yaji omo license if you want sem
Yes.
home office for every month 60 days say
Okay.
within that 60 days finding alternative employment and as a finding alternative ways and means via would be renew and crat and yes idea fi during that 60 days you can then decide say only lawyers ever discuss na options are be convenient in your personal circumstances. So this is some of the things that we will encourage or we will talk about up to as to ọmụ EU for akọfọm ebusuafo aba ebia ọbaayɛ ne sika ọba ne sika ɔgye dɔɔso kyɛn wɔ deɛ nti no affect ukweku ne adeɛ no sɛ wotie program yi for the first time na so wonim sɛ wapamo ọba no esi abɔnten a the only thing and I said the option available to you at this stage is say fa phone na friend say kweku me no san betina fie because one betina fie na time no so say okwa akoye wo renew ala ebe hardwin it doesn't matter say during that 5 years bia akwala na etu efifie 1 year and I say 2 years if before the application will be submitted the wasan betina fie back we will be able to rectify the problem at the time I hear application for indefinite leave to remain for Sa Nipano. So that is very, very important. For the students now, Oma ba Oma school, say waba na unko school. na wonye sure say ebia yetwa wo nkrata animu because ebia connection man bi na eye application ma efifie nto no use ni email address e de ye we ni mawa. The advice I will give you at this period na say ubetimi akwa shared code. Ube check it or shared code and make sure say a valid at this very moment. If a valid at this very moment, then ubetimi I switch it to something else. Bia na wakonya juma baby. Bia wakonya care work ibi. Omi a willing some sponsor. Ubetimi I switch it to that quickly before I be travel crat animal. Remember say nya travel crat animal wie na ubeye illegal immigrant. You and everybody becomes the same. In Yeme Bibri or Honba Untimi Enye Ukruma, one Untimi Wari Ukruma, or Wari, I beka chose this wako fear and sana waba back. The only way I'll be to me I rectify one kratano will be say a bia obe uba ukrum hase a nipa na on the way and ekra and krata na so oye British. Then ube to me I then I rectify one krata and so wait me I regularize it will stay. And yes, adia uni any other option say ube kofi. It's a very important say obi bia o tie me a one way or the other some type of encrat have making sure say ube protecting making sure say issues be abc ube making ube taking immediate steps ube rectify them o can be in my earlier presentation efa what British child ya momo encrat at 2.5 years say uda wo Jane said say wo eba e ukrum ha say dia wo power wo timi enya dia effikasi mu fo betimi agi efi wonsem.
Yes.
The correct very difficult say wo ba ukrum ha na ebeje wo nkrata efi wonsem. But you can only do something if unya notice ne say ebeje efi wonsem. I don't make I say always update them. But we not notice nesi ebeje fi wonsem because Obano afre home officer won hwe akwala no and abema na afre home officer won hwe akwala no nti ye je fi wonsem at that very moment no say ube hu yen we will be able to rectify that either through the family courts say you be court near making sure say be regularize it way will contact with that child. It's very important say asemia year can be difficult in certain circumstances. Let's assume say ye be ban yes wakobu oba no and say wojire akobu intino for that reason intino your amount non-molestation order yes don't come near non-molestation order. Non-molestation order near order you meet media amount say bia don't come close bia 10 miles and now 5 miles wherever akwala ne maame na ewo no don't get close to them because bia wakobo no in the amount sa order. If that is your situation application to even rectify through the family courts can be very difficult. We need to be aware of some of these things and people need to take action. I mean, person make a say, oh, because if you 17 now for any idea, it can cause problems for you. It's very important because of you honoma, baby you honoma now or baby you honoma because of enkrata say we do kind of and now I say a bit to me cause problems at the amount. And even with those problems, the lawyers can even struggle, say, ombenya inyama, ombesomunya edema, nedinya enkrata and amount. At this stage, I think, say, the major platform na ama who questions be answer listeners who questions be na omebisa.
Etiefo ni adofo meda wo bibiara se afei e na wodu afidie na to hase ya eye abona skin pain attract tv eso e na wodu afidie no ato hase no eye a fridays bia no ye ne lawyer etena se etwetwen enkomo eye Fortwell solicitors lawyer Daniel eye one of the senior solicitors ewo eye Fortwell solicitors ene no motena se no aha upe immigration sensem undiluted aha the whole world ewiase ba bia edru week bia na Uba Monday, ubenya migration etie Wednesday, ubenya Friday, near the Babelande. Me catch na say Drew Friday, dear, dear, won't ya say me pachobra. I have say, wo penkrata, wo kotena will be mine, so I know a pay. Esie binado watching no. Send ye be ya, as some be a toa. When ya come up for, when ya dima for. Enti I have say, and I wo penkrata, wo benya be wo pe juma, wo benya be wo Ghana, wo pesa wo ba abrochire, softly. Aha say nya for one na bi ani ubenya bi ye de won so se eboa eye community no in diaspora enti eye lawyer Daniel eye adwuma ewo eye photo lawyer me pa chow na obi busa say eye cancel or say but the person can get his or her a share code if the email belongs to the connection man or pacho chese the share code no obedenya because if the email no it belongs to connection man and I say nipa na wo boa no e de ne ba abrochire no ono na ne email no eye ne dia share code no without the email can you do it
without the email no obetimi akọ system no so no akọ no it is possible to change it. It is possible to change it, but obviously, no, you need to notify that person. It's like advising Crawford says, "Unya bakronimu," and as the one kratane emma uya. All those things, and you need to change it because unless you say you are relying on a law firm, let's say waba photo solicitors, yeah, your application amount. So, friend photo solicitors, na made Daniel me new honoma, ebi awabi shallow ya PK. Say lawyer PK ni hon mababe lawyer Dorothy. We have so many lawyers in the house. How you wait to be sure one without somebody will look after you. But the comma one man person be a otini baby one corner.
Pocket lawyers.
Na say oni hono okay. Not just say unyama na then Ira and say you don't have access to those information. So it is very, very important. Say who yes sign yama we are. Odibema reliable organization, I wouldn't say, even without that individual, there are 3 or 4 or 5 people who can assist you with whatever query or difficulties or issues that you have.
Okay. Lawyer, now Obi Busa question be, but I think Simetimi no Busa say, can I change my visitor visa to a skilled working visa? No.
And not yet, and possible.
No, me pacho wa wo busa sa no enkofo bebre efre me anti abona ye pacho betimi aboa ye ame asesa ye visa aba skill working visa me pacho menye mo bi nkwaji usika endi ma wo bi nkwaji usika na emesu nkyere me santi abona na me ba ye no obi aye me say no obi akwaji misika visited visa you cannot change, you can't change in anywhere ba a skill working visa. But obi a wabaha as a student, ubetimi as a sano, and now we are dependent of a student. We are dependent of the student ubetimi as a sano. And now we be also swa on any dip on any nurse ni ne baye, and now on school ni ne baye. Na se wo kunu na we school ni we nurse ni no. Ojojo wo ejojo mu eye banchi abasem na making oba me no kasa in parables. Na bia menye ma one kasa as a dependent no wunya campaign bia ebe swehia ma wa obetimi aye without wo student no ana lawyer meboa
no crepa.
Okay. Etie for me pacho me be phone lines no atum se wo pesa wo friend na wo busa eye lawyer Daniel. Any question be a person busa bia emfa ene discussion ho kra na me pacho wo betimi ebusa echina menimu bedi nkomo bebre anopa ewo akwantuo mu nsam na Ghanafo mo amanya visa na mo be krom no mahwe mo ho ye na unim connection ma bia na akache ne sechina abonance campaign eso ombra ombe join echina kwantuo mu nsam na wo metia asam a echina nyame ya adom a mebeka Ghanafo mo ma ye ho ba nsam dodo mo ma ye tworo book fa ye ho ye tworo book ankasa obitimi kogina immigration no wa tworo book from Genesis to Revelation no de ama wo mo no omonya case study na omode e ba beko e de atia yen enti echina nyame ya adom a connection man for no omunimo yenye etikroma yenye nienim we know more better than them though wo mo ba abrochire every week bia wo mo bako but they don't know nothing yenye eti abrochire yenye nim system nim ye na say no obi akoka no kra ti wo nyina akoka no kra no ye ne ye be yusu sa amra ne de atia yen enti ono ote Ghana enti catch ne se wo mra minim se me program there omo ba so da bia because aha na omo pick information e de ye omo ade wo so omo de ye enti e china momra metie because me ne lawyers wa ha me limited. Okay. Ubetimi afre number ni 00447502422799. Was it any update for student application you were talking about last month? I have emailed you with my certificate but no response from Fort Worth. Student I will person wo be school and I say wo free hin na wo be school ha. Lawyer me pacho student lawyer PK
say no students ready any if you have any problem.
Okay.
It's lawyer PK means me dedicated team almost handle student visa. So open say oba school Chrome has say very simple. We have two stages. Okay. The stage one see a wow now when university ni bi Chrome ha. Yene organization be accord into partnership so that we can make sure say ye betimi ama wider option into almost 98% of universities in UK we can assist you to gain admission.
Oh good.
So what they will certificates and answer qualifications SND ye best send the list of inyama here any information here obviously no so no with the application process we need to pay them into the very requesting for payment into the or send this message and so what send this information number na you respond near trail documents in information that you feel or near trail payment here so that we can forward your documents to the agency to assist you. Now one fast don't expect to be near progressive application. Very, very important to understand, say, a ban student visa now, and as a schools I here. Before you contact us, we expect say who are we students, why ye a bit of research work, Abna. Ebi mu wɔ hɔnom a UK. All right.
Okay.
UK has a ESON. There were over 1,000 universities in UK. Obana so also person over school. Now news so person go school or Birmingham, or person go school or Liverpool, or person go school or London. It makes the work difficult. Inti answer na obe contact here. Have an idea say oh minya 4 universities we are coming pay. Minya 2 universities we are coming. Then we can start working on something for you. Me that say.
Me so me that say. Me pacho here for your beautiful lines na dia tum. Feel free nebusa lawyer any question you want to ask. Me pacho wo fra me modin. Me program so ye modin to fra ya wo chia ya no na wo call numbers ni go screen so 0044 750242279 0044 7861 705 200 me the 3 numbers ni nyina ye program unto betimi afre. Hello, good morning me dofo pa me pacho lawyer 80 o me modin.
Mpacho mi mpacho person mi lawyer say ebi awo ukwa our address uni obi aya our baby nso na ebi a uko be for the say let in case na wakwa koye adwuma let me access address na maintain me code address na me dey no aye adwuma na me use no na agi say me training na and I said no any program here.
Okay, me pacho, hold on, mommy.
Okay,
lawyer me pacho you na no eh.
Say what worry obi na wage na obi so na wunya won krata na. Say what's some address a ebetimi akose problems amo. Into let's assume say what to land only wo yere et land. Na wo akonye adwuma e wo Milton Keynes. Na wo decide say okay, me kwa hide down ba ko bi o Milton Keynes. Na me fi honom akọ adwuma. Na because of that into you address nya ekoto Milton Keynes. Technically no enye woni oba na eti ebio intini say emre do see ebe renewal amount na me catch yourself for bank statements pay slips ebra na yen show say uji 18,600 now wo pay slip na show say what Milton Keynes meanwhile no oyire address at the landina. How do we convince efficacy mu for say aware na genuine and for that reason inti ebe cause problems amount and nunti na me advice no will be say baby a won na oyire te no mom mama address and that say dia cause problems in future.
Bra me pacho what you say?
Matia de na me mpese mesesa no ba ke adwuma sɛm nti me ba on de bia na metumi aya
adwuma eno no wo che se adwuma sem nti wo mpese wo besesa address no meboa enti no kone koye adwuma no na emom no maintain ma address ne mfa baabi e wo se fa no
Maybe oba ne ti no.
what you say okay me da say hello good morning me dofo pa me pacho swidi yenko me modin.
Good morning, Sister Abinai.
Yes, darling. Yes, darling.
Na enkalano
me pacho hold on
pacho evidence be na be here photo bicha ebi obekọ Ghana ba commission ni ibi sa wo hosta na esininya se evidence
mantiase me pacho me pese me o question se metiase a wa ware wonu ukunu na tie ukunu no na won krata me boa e no no na ekofa nkra na ba
pacho ena meni nkula na ye DNA
enti no
me say kunkun ni
yes metiase
me
enti
na my nkula ni ba enti papa no most ni papa no ejina papa no so na nkula no ba
yes enti 2%
se papa ni eni nkula ni na pizza bia na evidence dey be na some of the
okay lawyer me pacho so what you say ni kunu no ene won krata ono na ye ni DNA enti opeso hu se papa ne kofa ne step children mebo se sa na peso che o kofa ne step children aba na o se papa ne so hia any proof bi o so di nkan akọ Ghana na o moko twetwe pictures ana se hu hia obetimi anu straight away
Hu hia say ono so be kwa ko ne nkwara na be kwa ko twetwe pictures, but it's very very important to understand say sa oba na obisa question no she will need to show say our sole parental responsibility Emma sa akwala na owo fie no and about 99% of applications are refused, you know. They refuse it because of sole parental responsibility issue. Into so obano mean to me ain't na has say and advice yes obetimi afre and then we can advise
na wodo mo ba no so mo papa ni ho enti omo papa ti as no lawyer so obetimi akofa nkra na ba
obetimi akofa nkola na ba so long as obetimi I show say
all right
even though ne papa ti as no or no pen or responsibility
okay sister we are for lawyer why all right hello good morning me do for me pacho yenko sweetie
good morning pacho wadauruma Mrs. Tabako UK honom na one of the aya warrior nti aka 2 months na o maya 3 years na nipa na akosisa na address so say no obetuma siki for divorce na say wonti na say no kwa be na obafa so a duru indefinite na sabetimi aka wadauruma
wo see aka how many months na 3 years aso
aka 2 months
okay 2 months lawyer me pacho wa change address na omo person mo retention of rights that's 3 years na 3 years na so aka 2 years nipa ni change address no how long ni
2 months ago
address no 2 months in here
and na aka 2 months so na ne nkrata na 2 years aba
I say aka ibia I 30th December no na 3 years na so
30th December na chese next week ya okay and now what change address no 2 years lawyer pacho brem
and check that your problem advice am the be ma say ka kire unua ne say on free but the fact say almost san address no affect anything so we realize this and as what yes started divorce process grandpa it take minimum of 6 months and sana you read divorce process and even if you're starting and by the time you be read not 3 years neither also at the time of divorce application we don't even expect to say obanene beemano ever what the same address because until because we will be not that the same house so what you say it's in a separation not almost separating any problem the here say or best starting process now because you need to understand say yentimi enwie straight away and for application and kotum and now I will not also advise say on be kwa ko jaya ware e ofie na mo de aba there be
Lawyer can't debu ajiji adem. Your friend is saying not just a lawyer person what you say, bra. Me mo mun koye divorce no Ghana, or munye divorce no ha. Me pacho what you say? Aha. Yes, but most ni anen nkofo free say Ghana ye cheaper no makoye Ghana marriage divorce certificate di aba but emremu no wo divorce or Ghana e wo se mumu ba ko atena Ghana continuously for 12 months enti no me pacho manen free lawyer why okay hello good morning me do for me pacho lawyer tiu me pacho lawyer tiu wa wo so no me pacho
Pacho na me side disasel na manuel jute e ba ne se me GP no address na man se na GP no so e bia na the link to me enko hospital wo land e ho no na bia na me thinkings na me wa me sign you so that address na e dia ko GP wo me thinkings wa na
lawyer opeso obusa say one na yire wo ya aware address ne de obekipu use one na yire na use address no but we free waba Merton Kings no obetimi asesa ne GP address me patcho sesa na person hu o say GP na e be affecting application I say GP there obetimi asesa
obetimi asesa but I always say ideally no person would do sabe kwako show be enu so what you say because you don't want to give them a reason to refuse your application
okay
but if you have no other option but to change the GPR any problem but remember say at the time of renewal no say lawyer na application amawa can same way extra no be any so trend on no be hu kwan or the application e be fa so cause problems any there
okay bra se wo feel se wonyare yare bia na watwe bia yese bra test ya ada na won keep wo GP no wo former GP no na won continue wa ware no
okay and the man is because in next 3 days me buy no ye 1 year na mako only once per
okay ntino don't worry keep no why aha na nkofa problem ama hello me dof me pacho wa wo so ne yenko me pacho ye wa
pacho me channel lawyer na
me pacho
me bakuma on the 2018 August 2018 with student visa but manko school no and me benya pre-settlement status on 2020 it's better me who time I met me apply for settled status pacho
all right
so unya will pre-settled status in 2020 ubenya will settle status in 2025
okay lawyer me pacho sister what you say
AF5
me enter 2018 me count for
we be count for 2018 no ye ntwa wo visa nim meboa
pacho me man check ba me timi dey bibia
okay lawyer
2018 to 2020 no na a student visa untimi enfa student visa en combine pre-settled status na won ka se wo de kwa akọji indefinite leave to remain but short as here e ba ne se na unya pre-settled status so do betinya kire mu
o ya ware okay
o ware da ben
o ware da ben 2020 no
2020 na me ware na me nya pre-settled
lawyer 2020 no 5 years to come say so 2 years remain
yes until 5 years from 2020 until 2025 and now obe qualify for settled status
until one kind with 2018 now wo ba ha no one kind ka ho because wo no o visa na wunim say wu anase wi because wo time a wo ye wa ware no na wo betimi ayenti na utimi ye no
and we a crown pound to me fan kind kan even less as they want to be fan
and to be kind no not just a 20 pre-settle no we benya visa another visa
yes want to be fan combine student visa
okay and what the lawyer person channel no you can combine the new visa to the student visa no and to student visa na dia share gu na akra school no an continue share gu dada enti twen all right hello me do for me pacho good morning sweetie enko
Good morning, Savannah.
Me pacho yanko. Pacho jina so
Madam
why?
was it
Jina
in
so.
Yamizava?
Pacho jina so
So
why?
my
Jina so.
son
Jina so. Pacho
is
jina so why? Jina so.
no,
Jina so.
Nipa no, I am.
Pacho jina so. Jina
Now,
so.
Grandma no,
Jina so.
on my train was JV.
Pacho jina so.
And
Jina so.
I
Jina so.
went
Jina so.
I'm going to feel no. I didn't feel me.
Mpacho, start your question if you mind. Start your question.
Sister. Sister jina so. Jina. Sister. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho sanko asem ni biom why? Pacho jina so. Jina so.
Obama ne Ebema ofri you come near ofri Omanya try and want to you why. Ana aware na nkata no omgoye fifi ba no de and nza so ye de nkata no se oba no nsem no anya mfimi no ene kaka ana bema no akọ efie akoye awagaye nwoma na ọza tunzu krom hanum no ọmụmienu no address no otu efifie no makọ han dan a baby foforo a ọba no enim kra ebize antuma ewo mu no sebe da awka no waje ni nyina awie na wakọ han dan foforo ọba ni nim kra nso no tia na odika atimu no ano na ọba no
sister me pacho jina so line no so aye bi se me pacho bone tofa ema ye enti sese no de na pese mu
me pese mi no ne se de na ebe ha oba no se ko pa se enfie num no so na de se okoye we bioma ha oba na de beba ho sese be na koya wa ga ye nwuma ofie ana odi aba
okay
June
yo June also omo worry ye how many years ni omo worry ye 2.5 years ni meboa
omo worry ya ngasa no fia worry no e date ni de 3 years
ena ye man no ye din krata ne share ne nsem ye man visa no how many years ni ye man no
2.5
okay yo eno na me pese mi hu lawyer say no be man no wo hu no be man asesa na address be man akoye divorce e wo Ghana e de aba omunya mfanto ekromi ha eso enti no pese hu say oba ne 5 years say no de na oba ne nye because you don't need to wait for the 5 years no
Obano will, if me advise you Obana, there are two things that we can do. The first thing is remember Obano has started divorce in the UK. And then we serve Bermano. Now Bermano enkase wakujaya warrior and also nkujaya warrior. What we need to understand is say untimi enjai obi ewo Ghana. I won't know when you're aware say ye jail. Into they say Bermano akoye divorce e wo fie na wonye aware of it and as wambo amania enye valid divorce and we can insist say enye valid divorce and redo it over here. Pacho mom frame after the program.
Sister me pacho ye wie ya frɛ lawyer wate
Why?
ye wie ya frɛ lawyer
so on my first option and the second option is what na me tie
ane wadodo enipa wo so ntimi pacho
ye
wie ya frɛ lawyer why
me
pacho lawyer number the screen is so say akoso na etro enya
phone now na me di 20 I'll go back and then
me pacho go back and now test me me de the number be send why ba akone kwotro what the kwama lawyer bi enye yo because one asem na too complicated enti frɛ lawyer Daniel nefoma no hello me dof me pacho yenko
okay me pacho me wo krom ha ni akola 9 years with a British passport. Na Cecilia no, the man I'm in it no, but almost year no application I'm independent. I say me depend on Berman so but I'm a colonel so and I'm in young grata. Na Berman or Cecilia and I think we in address. Na me be such a me application is a 2.5 application. Almost year saying commit me in indefinite. My call 2 times. And I was said me caught 3 times. I was said me indefinite for almost for 5 years. and say no na na wo lawyer no ye ma me say me nko 4 times me ko 3 times nti ka next year November I was say me nya indifferent but be man okọ we in address at me ni akwala no and the wo fie na me bisa say okay say me application no next year November me nya problem bi wo ho ana say me tu kwan a me nya problem bi wo ho ana no na mpese me ho
okay wo se wo ba no ye British enti wo ba no British no eno na wo de your application me boa
but na say me dependent or ye any dependent but eyakolano so na me din na ho me din yaaye
ena omo ma wo sen wo mo di akora ne ma wo no mo ma wo 10-year route and now wo ma wo 5 years straight away
5-year route
ena lawyer ne ye sesi a utimi ya application
o switch ye
times a utimi nya indefinite o third time
o switch nem ma no benya 5 years me boa
yes nti
okay
me find next year November
okay and yo lawyer you are no any one dependent lawyer you are no lawyer mpacho bremo
onya problem there if Bema no efifi ho no manase we movie away so long as I wonne akwala no eti no
me pacho
okay
person right
until no say time no so for indefinite na say wonne akwala no eti na wunya uye juma na wuji more than 18,600 ye betimi aye application for indefinite na heading and the amount into no the only advice I would be on say by the time I be here indefinitely to remain amount now we hear juma and you are earning at least 1,500 a month.
Okay sister say we hear juma
in fact, I'm here, Juma, and I'm in benefit.
Oh, very good.
Benefit na make here.
Very good. And to benya 18,600 no. 18,600 no. At least unya 1,500 a month. Are you okay?
Yeah. And me benefit. Yeah. And I'm bisa say because me too kaya. Usa omuma usa you know because this is time. Wasa oma omuya away.
Debbie, ubetimi etu. Ubetimi etu
problem bi baba na.
Debbie, you don't even need to inform them. Ubetimi etu kwan. Enti ubetimi akọ because oba no na wugina ne so. Enti ye wi afre lawyer.
Oba de ka
kwan be dia mi ko bia me ne na ekọ na eba.
Ye wi afre lawyer why? Nane ne nkasa. Okay. Hello, good morning, me do for Pasudi enko.
Hello.
Yes, darling. Yes, darling.
Yeah, me paucho me sister baako aware 2018.
Yeah.
Na omo amfama no. Na omo amfama no na omo so onye omo onko interview na so omo fa no. No then ko detention omo yi no. Nto omo yi no na me so omo COVID didn't so ko sign. By okọ baako no wan ko bio. Wan ko bio nti me se ni bisa se obetumi esan aye another application bi wana.
Oh yeah, application as our me boa. Okay, lawyer Pacho yina no
so oh yeah, application as our na ye no na ye si on be report na one report na so person ye application bi one. So long as application na all year no genuine na basis of that application here very strong and I don't see why she will have a problem.
Okay.
Until let's give an example say bia wabewo ba ekroma na opeso gina ne ba no so the application I don't expect to see any problem.
Na lawyer was say the same aware na abiomo aware na abiomo
osan ye aware na abiomo there den sembe ba because the baby some questions here.
Sister, lawyer so betimi wabenya partner na ne partner no ye British ni okay lawyer aware no ye first ma ye twamu ya omo hu sa aware no ye sham marriage no man fa ma no omu ntwamu
ontwemu ha
me patcho onko twamu o Ghana na ha
ontwemu ha say
me patcho lawyer so ontwamu wa ha why
answer that waware foforo why.
Okay. Hello, good morning, me do for me patcho wa was no yenko.
Patcho ya me a.
Eye wa me patcho yenko. Ma me yenko.
Okay. That's it. Akopo o shira wo ni lawyer be ni agia mo de mai so ne be ya so be ti ya boy bre yi okuma.
Me da say.
Me ka bibia fa first one na o ka ye connection man nurse bi a o ba no so.
Yeah.
Connection man for no mugu Ghana no. So omudi obi ba ha as a student and as a nurse.
Nurse.
Omoji pendant come who are Omonchi or Montinase. No moon brief you or moon ye. The Nipana Yadini Cow. Say in a year. Say in a year, Gino. Maybe I have a more cacra. A young person, more music and binti. Omoya no more watra, near you be near the amount of Montina.
Kwame, and no, this is
not the first time I walk out and we walk up.
Pamitaka. Kwame.
Platform no says I am a platform. I saw. Omo pomu megusu, no muntie, no munfanyi, no munconnection. Because the omo ya no life. Almost for life. We program we are no abuan ko bebre. Enti so mo pomumra, omo sim konja.
Eso ka so bi je cross he.
Ya tatamna wo kano. No munfanwo omo bra. Because almost for life.
Me that's
student dependent. Any care dependent me so care dependent no omo yema nkofo no omo senkofo bebre life
me that's Kwame
omo ya no sika kakra omo ji a omo nkofo ni bi ya du ka wo ta wo yire kanoko o e bi a ya ji mi sei ya ba ma wo sei nti kwa mo ko no sei na mo nkoka
Kwame echina enu ye echina akwanti omu nsem de ye dia we de ye obi dia enti echina nyame ya adoma we will get time to address about these issues. Hello me pacho wa was me dase hello me pacho wa was no yenko.
Good morning, Mr. Abraham. Good morning, lawyer.
Yes, darling. Good morning, sweetie.
Mr. Abraham, I don't think Mr. Lawyer some Mr. Lawyer say who worry you
Pacho 9 is
5 years no a started time I worry ye na a started time
ye ma wo visa no
the call home office na time ye date assessment man.
Good, very good question. Lawyer me Pacho chiremu na sadu ye confused.
Okay, there are two things. I know the reason why Akrofo are confused. Say ye can say your amount 5 years because we worry EU.
Yeah.
That's all Kwakoje indefinite now. 5 years no started from say Trakwa. Hello, what you mean? 5 years no ebe started if time ye de 5 years no Emma one into the time they will pre-settle status Emma. That is when the 5 years will begin from. Say a bano say Okwakoji retention of writer a different story. But what you mean? Hello.
5 years no started free that ye ma visa no ye granted will say ye ma will biometric 5 years no.
That time no mama to me bo say e ka take akra. E breaki kakra mama bra back.
Me Pacho ye lawyer so okasa Pacho gina so.
When you break it kakra say your man ukowari EU national that's how kwakoji indefinite you count the 5 years from the time you dey pre-settle status in Emma so that is when the 5 years starts simple
okay
me person complicated
lawyer me pacho wo ba no o kan bibi so court ma court wasting the time sister kasa na lawyer tie hello sister
court wasting
2 years grandson on the mame enti ani nyina na enka ho
okay lawyer me say ye court akwani about 2 years enti sa 2 years no enka ho ana e be start from day no mo issue sister enka ho what into the ekone do here
the reason why I sister na I get confused in this say omo retention of rights no retention of rights no ye kan fit time am worry
okay
no time ye dey pre-settle status in
Emma wo
inti no say bia wa worry EU national na ya ma 5 years pre-settle status na bia aware ni egua ye kan aware egu na ye be kan fit time am worry
Tama me fa ne say Ghana marriage certificate no e wo so no
e wo so
e no na mo be count to the free
and ye be
egu aware no
egu aware
good
so what you say
okay
yeah retention of rights in the amount but so far ko ye settle status dia ye kan fit time e dey pre-settle
visa normal sister me pa 20 to bo wate e be ba sesi a 5 years enche na aba why ono kra no ya no so ahodi mi ono odi nkomo hello me pacho wa woso ne yenko
hello acha na pacho
Eye why enko.
Me pacho me the spouse visa na buy na me kunu kuta a book. Na me buy 1 year na yakofa ya ma buy. Inti me indefinite ever so next year next 2 years which is 2024 December. Na me man which means no more money 4 years or about 5 years because omo issue visa no yes I mean aka o me use no body ma o. Inti mbisa say so a betumi apply ama me ne nkra ni nyina ni yenya indefinite na na so omo no ma short 1 year no say na beye.
Okay.
Omo no nkwala no oma short 1 year no ye fa ma nkwala no. Nkwala ni need to be here at least 5 years no. So what you say because yan wo mu okrom ase. Yan wo mu okrom ase no they need to have lived here for 5 years and son on betimi are qualified for indefinite leave to remain. Mpacho timi ase.
Sister Mpacho so what you say? Okay.
Now my maybe so question no. My maybe so question.
Lawyer me Pacho so busa na sembusa no.
Yes, na time na only papa na oye British no. Only omo na wo nkwala na na.
Ai menen na wo nkra ni nyina but lawyer ne ka said oye my first time ne ka say menam say tama ye wo omo no na me kunu nya ne British book ni no encounter omuntu mi nya aha book na.
Yes, it's true.
Okay.
It's true.
Okay.
Enti twen
What? No.
Okay.
It's they say train 1 year.
Okay. Hello, made of me Pacho yanko legend yanko. Legend me ti won kanche. Me Pacho hu ye. All right, to call you. Hello. 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 Me Pacho. Opa soba program this.
Happy
Pacho
Christmas, Happy New Year. Any lawyer, any first words for me, mascot, any or join the program, no. May we show Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So, Yaminko, be our no issue, we are not here, you be single. And yet, I fear being cool.
Amen. Amen.
Program also of the 1 year. Ghana community lay, UK lay, Tete, Yantimeka, Yamin Shirao, na Apostle, so Yamin Shirano, and emergency hour.
Legend, Echina. What? Legend, Echina. Medase. Echina nyame ya adoma. Na wa baso abeke kan we nyina. Wate medase pa. Echina. Hello, medof me pacho wa wosu no yenko. Yes, darling. Good morning. Medase. Okay, that's fine. Okay, wo sister no akọ ware aba. Wo sister na akọ ware wo Ghana aba meboa.
My sister akọ ware aba. Na akra no birth certificate no blank. Na minim say betimi de ama me brother no wa ha ne papa.
Wo ye greedy papa wo. Wo gina hank me twa koto. When me nkasa later enya ha. Why? Nemo no was so we careful because wo sister no ti aware ase. Wa ware. Enti se wo sister na ware na se wa twempena wa ware na chi lawyer bremu bi ma me wa twempena wa ware na chi. Na se ode ne mpena ni di ehye birth certificate ni so a lawyer na wo continue ni kunu no dada so o sister no wanya ne 5 years wanya ne indefinite fresh hey one ye careful o yire nkrata be say ye pon anu afem ne edi nkomo no kwa de me lawyer memu bi kra because lawyer say meni mi kuna oni ni kunu na ware afe na be ma na kofa ne free Ghana aba fresh oba ye no aba be oba no onyema na hey who sister and two sister ba ye no abenyem me ba who sister ba ye no aba ben wa be wo me boa so ba no be wo yi enti wo ko ga hello me dof me pacho yenko wa woso ne
Hello.
Yes, darling.
Yeah, hello.
Me pacho me were questions 3. Me pacho me question first one is say me you buy invitation buy na me time on also to December now. Na my sister almost say apart from say obe wono bibi anyo how betimi aya obenya me bi ka say bibi fufura ba don't have the chance to get it and I'm second question so they say me or me brother been to Canada or no Canadian passport. Na me bisa say in case we be person or did worry me Canada from UK to Canada and possible na. And then the third question so yeah to say the teacher for Ghana teachers in so there's going to be an opportunity for them to say nurses maybe from next year teacher for us with media about UK I say and maybe and so be
okay lawyer me pacho yi na no e
the first question and the answer near there be say oba ha say last year na ne visa ne wu December ya dia unfortunately no just wa woba and yes so dia just owari obi na o decided say we happy so be kofie na or the application e be to no asamba back and now so say so be train so 20 years then obetimi your application for private life. Those are the options that are available. The second question regarding brother now or war Canada
and was she and the boyfriend be or Canada ne boy no Canada no
yeah Mati or boyfriend or Canada now or person or be ware or han any possible say or babe ware e krum ha say because at the moment we are illegal so we are illegal untimi enware ensa enkoye application ema Canada for ne accept say o person we bibi sa dia gise ukofie bibi a ukokro bi so awo enkrata wo so to say fie na wakoye application efi hono and o final question no but you na kai me
ne final question ne yes o se what is the teachers UK occupational shortage list ya nurses of work
teachers
what is the next year the teachers e be kromi ha no kre because minimum teachers o can UK occupational shortage list no
yes teachers can shortage occupation list no ho dada the most important thing is say ubenya ejuma ni bi ubenya ejuma ni bi ubenya maths and English test no be pass that is what teachers need to mean passing and into no muntimi nye no
teacher want to mean passing maths and English
and you know opportunity na wo ho no mo dada the most important thing is we pass na why we into I think say
and a lawyer me say enye ordinary teachers or more per science and math teachers
yes omo pe
science and yes science and math teachers and you know UK occupational shortage list ne so a e wo so na mo mpa adwuma and a lawyer can say nipa ne o teacher ni na organ na o mpa school no bi onya school na school na kofa na ba
okay
right enti no wo de no se de lawyer a che mu na woni kunu wo Ghana de a pa sorry ko pekuo ko o rewre mu ana senyame ye wadom na ohia be ma wo be ware wa oye wo ho ade wi ana wakowo hwe na wankɔ pe wo bi kunu ankɔ wo ame ameche wankɔ Ghana wa meka se abena skin pay program so because ebi ba manim abena skin pay program so na mete se me nkɔ wo entu koshia obi ogina obi kura wo ni nkrata wo boa eye empty passport to keke ene kura no ba wo ba no ayi passport ndi a chose me nkrata ni o dakoya mumie bie book ni mu nhwe enti no mesra wo hia be ma na mane nkoye wo ho ade enti wo ne wo kura no oni nkrata akura at least wo nya aware wate eya afre wate
o dem be ma ne secret ni a tudwa
lawyer ma me fan tudwa ma me ya afre me wate na ye nkasa wate wo krom hanko ade I will help you why lawyer me for mu secret ntudwa wo nim se me ba mani obu o wa oni bi okoye Ghana passport a obi aba ni fi o se me nkrata ni o me nkrata ni obua hello me dof me pacho ye nkolo
but I was check your text message
ai lawyer me hu me pacho wa was no ye nko why ye last 2 callers me nko hello pacho lo yeti you
Okay, well, good afternoon, sister.
Yes, good afternoon.
Pacho, then me the member about 6 months ago, yeah. Now, you know, my wife was a year in here. Then the indefinite. Now, person is a lawyer said, "Tam ben meet me a the British passport are more."
Yo.
Because back 19, back so 16.
Omo ba ho mo di sen.
Okay, 6 months are near.
Omo ba ye 6 months ni. Omo free hin e ba Italy.
The Ghana.
Omo free Ghana. Na so omo free Ghana na ba ya wo so e na wo kra de nkrata.
My wife in
E wo so wo say
ya try 10 years.
Matana ha 10 years oba wo 19 e na ba ko 15 omo ba ye 5 months ni a omo ntimi nye British passport.
Oh no. No, me so omo indefinite.
Omo indefinite. Enti omo ba ye 6 months ni omo di indefinite ni be rem. Still ko omo ntimi nye British passport. Lawyer, omo ba ye 6
5 years.
Qualify for British passport.
Lawyer, this will be saying 5. Lawyer said this is 5 solid years.
Why?
Because lawyer ono so omo ba ne omo indefinite no omo de ba ye.
Yeah.
Enti no onim se nko ba ye no indefinite no betimi akwaje British passport.
Okay. So omo de when they buy a car now they have to stay here for
5 years. Okay. Pacho omo 5 years. Why?
Okay.
Hello, me pacho wa o free Italy ni enko. Me pacho last call out na wo WhatsApp no me pacho yenko. Na obi am friend lawyer.
Hello.
Yes,
hello, Sir Abraham Pastor. The person the visa say. Sir Abraham Pastor menkasa.
Me pacho yes, lawyer ti on pacho.
Me pacho me visa say. Me wa Belgium na me niama wo UK. Na metimi e de aboa obi o UK ho no mana.
But your man abeso
mami enja wo na nyame ya adoma ye bekasa e kire. Adofo ne etiefo afa na ado afide na to a eye Abona Skimpe Natre TV eso e na wutie. Me ba cho adofo muntie ye ne lawyers nete ha. Enu nti na ye anatore bi wo ho a menko a metena se one on one. Metena se dia any question bia obetimi abusa me mete wono me loaded me nimade akura chen lawyers ni bi de minim no nya bi na se bi lawyers ni nim enna se menti bibia se a me kokobusa me lawyers no eba enti se menko a metena se a eho ne de wo akoye no kokko mu bia betimi abeka ye ne lawyer nete ha onso so wa frɛ wo fra as metimi aye sei baabi a wo frɛfiri no wontimi fa won krata ankotu kuro no so na wontene kuro foforo so enu nti na me program so no wotena me ba me si kuntunkuni pre-mark ntade enkra ntade obi o follow me bia no me kasa wote ase because me ne lawyer nete ha me ntimi ma me keka nneoma pen ena me program no eye worldwide enye Ghana fo nko a enti no ye ba program so a ye cover nneoma bi ho kakra mo kasa me bo mani kire onso aba ba free busa se what be that what to one ya bechew Lawyer me pacho will be our pese o kana yen sorry jumedi so.
Me pese me use this opportunity ada yetiefonia ase mama supporting over the years for the past 12 months. More support and mumboa ne mumpae na amaye bedu bibia yewe. Intino se nyame ya adom se next year next week yentimi anye program ni bia bioma ye wish you happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Your office near close every be a New Year. More programs near that must see be brave and age my pa amodi year and the boy. That's it. Bye bye.
Also my close.
But your team I say Kati your team can.
Yeah, also my close.
Mikasi ya close you Israel.
Now can say
Me say next year, next week, yentimi anye programmer. Now say you're close for the Christmas break. You better back New Year. So what's
okay. Now next week, you know, I don't think it's a program, baby. So me we are me from a year kesi biaba menye a year. Lawyers are me no more year program no asoma si. Enti no me we are me from tie bia na next week probably. Bia na me kra na manye program. Ana echinampo. Enti no it's possible say next week mo maso na Christmas 24th no makọwe repetition aboboro no because Ghana for no 25th bia wo binya problem frɛ me omo ube to telephone be ring isa sister abna me police ache me sister abna me pe lawyer patch 25th na wo wi nkokọ no obi frɛ wa wo be call
there be even call
25th mo ni emergency number lawyer.
Oh, so emergency say yacho detention. Yes, we can deal with it. Any problem? We can do anything apart from that. We wouldn't deal with it. Apart from say yacho, that's it.
Okay. So no na me here. No na me here. Okay, na lawyer man ni ebronya.
Oh, say and then Rebecca sir.
Enye me say me dey me ba party ni bi dada. Me dey me ube hu me life and calendar. Jumper kakaka ya machine.
What I want to say and say Damasibe Bray with all the help and with their mind over the last 12 months. But you be more chambers, you be sorting out.
Etiefo bebre be hu more chambers aname. Yo, lawyer, yes, so ya Damasimi Gina Abanas Kimpenatric TV. Ye ni a clue nyina edamase for so many years 8 years enie ye ne 412 edinsa woso manya impact amodi ama Ghanaian community in diaspora ye ni aso ye danyame ase se afia kwada beto ye ni mu nyina afi se na maye party na mo invite wo bia na ya baby.
Amen.
Why? Ye de radias lawyer nyame enhira. Adofo ne etiefo wo bibiara medama say esemo kan me ho me pa chaw ene nkomo ayedi ye no. Eye very important because obekrom ha say ya menya lawyer anka minimo enye lawyer anka minim na wonim about years ago me kwa akwaje me British passport na omode form ne ba ye no enye lawyer ene wo kan ya fe ne ma adwen atwen aba so. O kwaje British passport a omu busa address bia watena so e wo kromi ha omu wo because wo kwa experience ma omu check your credit no wa address bia watena bia e wo ho e ho so na home office ni omu information free enti ene de wo kan na atwe ma adwene e de akoso enti mesrawo enne program no fedi wo bibronya ye wie but koso ane shema wunia bi obi wo wa wo friga echina nyame ya adomo a se echina program baso dia lady bia o free France one ni kunu a young guy or 46 as a 47 and again no e 35 wa bewu ato ni kunu na bewu ato gen so na sene bra ni nuano ma wo mo Europe hono ene bra ne ma memo asori eye girl no echina se program baso a eno ho asam ene ebeka efunu ni wokromi ha lady ni so wokromi ha omomienu nyina ni nkrata enna omo atimi ankasa apekwan bi so enna omo ahye sojafo atade echina mebiebie nsamani enna omo betimi abewura omo danfo ne ka so omomra enna omo abewura kromi ha adana wo mu bedu ye na nadwo na homache 3 lady no kwa akodwonso osori na ni kuna wuda fom odampa so ote na ni na ni kunu da fom a ni kunu no wawuo akoye nsem bebre oni nkrata enso so sene bra ni nua ma ene bra ne maame ne papa eye echina nyame ya adomo amema wo mo gap but esim se o mo nten nyame ya adomo echina bedi ho nkomo na de mo beka no ye nyina no ya take lead of it enti no nyame ya adomo a echina program akwantuo mu nsam ebeba so wo se ba so echina me breaking news no e de a kire obia eyie kese asama to me enti nyame ya adoma ya na da bia me kase eye amoma ye mompaye ye ya kwantufo ene ya ba wo bi man so wo kase Ghana ni me bompaye a na odidi watem Ghana asofo a obonka nokre asofo fake. Yes, if there is no fake there won't be original. Every original you will duplicate. Louis Vuitton, Versace, name them. Ye will fake ya. Egugu ho bebre. Enti wan sheye obi the fake. Ebe ma as a original. Enti there is no doubt. Said there be a mudi asofo atem. There is no doubt to say monji asofo binumuni. Of course, no correct because dear wa moye no. Ema ye hu papa ewom. Enti e frɛ wo se bra ne be bompaya o jai sister abere skimpe de o de momo ne mpaye bra sister sorry waka enipa na o politu se menko tie no menko bompaye menko asori no owo bansere danase o shekawa ne kaji ne ponso kro de bo ne wig kro de hye no bibi wom owo de bo ne ho ban hwe prime minister UK prime minister what to say obi abeka na asem enka Ghana ni ye honorable Kusi Kwating ananya sa na ote odisa Kusi Kwating honorable obeye chancellor enenka ode Bible ana obeso so candle meaning the light of God because he is the light of the world. Ode candle basis you are enye candle baako different candles red green different candles ode basis you are enka the whole world bloggers bekas wo munti bi da Ghana for do mo be yie ne kwa ha hwesofo no koye nyankomade direction is key akwasi hwe camera no na afrizi wonu crowd a whole prime minister oye Hindu ono ni nyame a wosom no abone ho ban ama na wini so no what did they obetena so no what to say journalists UK journalists obi abie na no akasa wo shut wo mu nyina down what is obi asesa candles no e de kasa mi hu ni video bi a no ogina eyi nantwie fitaa ni kurom ogina nantwie ho. What is a wo bie na no akasa there be because ni nyame a wo sufre no abone ho ban ba wo kasa Ghana ni be ena Christopher mo bompa ye boy e de ne manya ena Ghana nka hia ye usuban ti na hia usuban ti na de wukom me enra ye emergency a wa mekan omo join ni enra mpaibo no me se wo bi wo ho a 31st of December ento no 31st of December ento no anope wo mo frɛ me o mo kan news na ma address ya wie a me ba betena se o mo kan news ne kyerɛ me frɛ lawyer Daniel anu onfa na I just want to cancel the program me say da bia me ne mo kan di agro se lawyers a me ne mo ye program mo mra me bompaye me kan mo mfi lawyers kro mo wa bonten e join ne emergency yawa Adeɛ bɛn wa you don't cherish. Adeɛ bɛn mo a munhu. Ghana for mama ye mompaye. Mama ye mompaye. Wo bia sorry waka. Sorry na bompaye. Uti will be my so. A young guy of 32 years as a student obe kromi ha. Oma as a school or pursue uremu. Obaya wabewu minimum sama hu because omo de sende me sememboa. Wababewu wawu ewo Nigeria ni ensem. Lawyer, a young guy lawyer. Wada. Ewrade. Na yire sorry ya. Ni kuna wuda den chen. Ghana ni me bompa ya. Osi asofo nye papa. We nye papa. O ma mete Ghana. O ma me behu ni edi wufunu na eba Ghana. Be a pharmacy. Ye de radia say nyame adomo a ekina akwantu mu nsem ebe ya ebeba so me kanfo de akire Ghana ni bia say baby a wo bia no watu kwan akobi man so empo sa wo Ghana kra na pampaibo nefa ohura mu because emra ye wo mu no nya mra wo se nipa wo tena se ojeja ho bia abeka se wo ne hwe a young guy was starting business bia obeka se wo ne hwe ensu nipa ni di wachi nipa eni di wachi mama ye mompaye wo ye Ghana ni na wutie mi a ya wada bia ye mpaebo ewo mi program ya so a wo hwe me program ya so a wo hwe me ya wada bia du abraso ne mo bi wate na wrade ye nneoma akese wo gini pefri punchire mu wo gini pefra mane mu ono na ye bambofo ono na ye bambofo yo adofo na me kanfo the amount said Diaspora Funeral Insurance emergency hour no enie ye ne Prophet Greg neba me wo ba abeka se mabodam because the wo chase me no on tenance yo me ni maame ni papa e na me maame asori akompaibo e de amame me ni bi enti I have to run for my life the moment wo we school over 20 years no Ghana ni akora wanyini enti don't wait for wo maame ne wo papa so mo me bompaye ma me sre wo wutie me wo ye Ghana ni na wo ko bi man so a pekuo pa sorry titiru asori ba pa sorry a omo watema asori a asamoto a they will stand by you wo hia mo a they will be there ma asori nya wo priority kese because me wo UK enti ha na meka ade bebre you will need asori ubehia o ubehia anopei akwasi santi abona me da fom ha e na mekem nyina hwan na me frɛ no because ye hia kreji ye hia wosofo obesie funu me pacho pa sorry ko wo ye Ghana ni na wutie me ekuro bia wo so wo America wo Canada entie die wo bi ka per Bible believing church and menya advert e mo wani nkyere me menya per Bible believing church pastoria ye be kyere wo Awurade akwan na ya ka no kore e de akyere wo ye wia no kore na wahu no ene Awurade asem no de nsankyere ne beba ebe bie puno ebe emergency our miracles Awurade ye no every day no enye prophet Greg ahoɔden o because omaye tie Awurade asem na se omaye who say we are not worthy to receive him by his grace enti da bia no ensankyere ne ye adwuma miracles upon miracle emergency hour not every single day testimonies Emma enti utie me ebia na ase anti baby amete e freezy baby amete aborofo nko a asori ni ho me paucho ya wada bia join this program ya wada no pa 10:30 ni ya hyase ye bompa ye di apaye dware apaye esra paye no mapaye esa apaye atade enti mesra wa wutie me nefa wo hu dwon ekuo pekuo papa enye ekuo mudi nkonkonsa ekuo a enuoma enfata pekuo a wo ho ma asem ekuo a wo hia letter they will stand by you asemoto they will stand by you men can't you say breast campaign fan club ekuo twa United Kingdom achi ahia ba pe ekuo papa decent okay yo adofo na me kanfo eye Bragu catering services e dia maw me pacho 25th mami Bragu eye nuane e dia maw wa ye aduane ache me pacho 25th de tenafie na samonan edura no pa wo ne wukunu ne wo mam ya bre eya na aduane no anokra na oba wo no aduane na akotirim whole year one no aduane 361 days in a year and 2 day you one day ni free so na sa eda ne de tenafie na wo da aduane enuane mako 15 na eni wukunu ne wo ma eni wo busua muni di fofofo man Bragu say o ma wo turkey because ye di turkey ache enuane na eba packages no eye miensa asemienu ba akonie we ye sweet we ye chips enuome egugu we ye last year de na nya asem ketwa me kura me da so wo me basket e wo me ha same enti wo frɛ Bragu catering services a wo da wo nuane eye 320 pounds obema wo different obema banku emutio wache jollof enuane ne doso enuane no ma me Bragu we wa fa preprensa nka ho fa preprensa to so wa fa preprensa nka ho fa preprensa eto so emame ese na me yemhye me sa na se UBS me ha fa preprensa to so e fa mame enti me pacho obi afre Bragu catering services na me pacho woda waduane e na Afrik Feast eye 2022 eye Bragu in collaboration with Donfo Clue e na eye nyame ya adoma eno so baso eye 26 eye deny and dance kese pa e na e baso ago was ame eye the Raspra funeral insurance e na e to omonsa e de efre wo no me pacho secure yourself na wuwu achi no oma anye mobo tap send me pacho obi and download tap never send the sika eko Ghana wa bra wo mbre ho Crown Eagle Limited Crown Eagle sefre wo moy na me pacho choose the car of your choice no deposit required snacks from me pacho fresh snacks no munyo pastries nyina emma pelito shito pelito se bra na omunya wo shito nyina emfa maw wo ye wo Ghana ana wo kromi ha Mr. to Okroma, ope SIA security badge. Abona skin pen de kofa baye. Abona skin pen de ade papa na medebe mawo. Be de wunya no wo baby a no na medebe mawo. SIA enye yize se wo bekwa akoye exams. Na wanya security badge. What you say? security badge obia wo ye wo ba akoye bito wo ye bema akoye bito wo ko pension kura wo betimi still akoye security na wo te office ukotena parliament ukotena Max Spencer ukozara Debenhams Harrods ho ni nyina ye wo cooperative enso so wo ho wo betimi akoye bouncer wo betimi akọ school mu akoye security enti me pa cho uhie security badge afreme construction badge me pa cho freme exams no enye badge e dey ma say uhia construction certificate am pa cho frame SIA certificate because English no edin SIA answer na betwa ne den etimi pa cho frame wo dada da bia me ka kire wo frɛ abonus campaign SIA and na wo pese wo hia level 5 in care wo hia level 5 level 3 level 2 in care and now say wo pese wo bie wo care home wo hia level 5 wo pese wo bie nursery wo hia level 5 me pacho in diploma level 3 in diploma care me pacho ni nyina wo betimi a contact me eye abonus campaign personal me do mo number be ma wo nko na wo nko feli ewrade adom everything is on pipeline enti don't worry at all mo de me kasa mo da mo na no mo kotena wa na mo akosimu tras na mo da enye sa na me ka eye kasa bebuo enye ade a wo be feli da na wo wo Ghana aha ekroma de nimiwie master in English bia wo pese okọ university na wo beji aban sika yi a wo de mamu ibie ye student finance what you say na uni no wo English wo ntwa maths wo ntwa wa wie logon na abaye so still wo ntwa kai wo dada mesra wo wi afrem wo test me na de test me enfrem wo test me as me per construction maths and English Mihia NVQ level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 in diploma. We here supervising ningina no a lot. We contact your bonus campaign and what that. We work Ghana. We person we health and social care. We need any certificate. Now we person we start training no. Say most of case workers or monji online certificate ni muntie. Say no most of companies no monye immigration say bebre nenye online no omonye but this company no omo na level 5 level 2 level 3 no omo be your online course but they will issue you a proper certificate a proper certificate account online certificate no course no just 1 day pe wo betimi aba as a healthcare assistant omo be your 1 day course pe ubetimi aba say £200 ma mo follow me on my WhatsApp status no me de ato me de flyer na to ho £200 o frɛ me a me de wo number ebe ma na won so distribute number no won no mo abe delay everything ekwan abefa so abetu omo ka bibia no won no mo ankasa e delay wo ye student and now you student dependent now person wo special visa ekoye school na bia wantimi anko but enche ye dia unya any email bia na person wo social visa na akwanya san ba beda ho ubetimi a contact me after the program no and now wo you student na se wo pese wo switch wo student visa no eba school working visa akwanya kase abeda ho ubetimi afre me 5 years straight away 5 years straight away now when you definitely live to remain another company in summer 3 years after 3 years summer 3 years uchamu 5 years what do you definitely live to remain medase
and the grand draw is on the 29th of December where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes and free air tickets, 5 of them. Tap send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Bronya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the Tap Send Bronya Achedia from Tap Send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or €200 or £200 and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from Tap Send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets, 5 of them. Tap Send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient.
Understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today.
Transfer. Easy, convenient, fast. It sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover mapim. Tap Send. Intienne. Also download the Tap Send app no. Ewa mobile phone so free. Na first ka komo abusuya for Ghana fa na nyina. Tap Send. Papa no. Me did the young antechua and maybe I'm discovered for Europe akoma abusuya for Ghana no. Me use Tap Send. Tap Send. No fee mobile money transfer. Easy, convenient, fast. It sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover mapim. Tap Send. Intienne. Also download the Tap Send app no. Ewa mobile phone so free. Na first ka komo abusuya for Ghana fa na nyina. Tap Send. Papa no. Me did the young antechua and maybe I'm discovered for Europe akoma abusuya for Ghana no. Me use Tap Send. Tap Send. No fee mobile money transfer. Easy, convenient, fast. It sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover mapim. Tap Send. Intienne. Also download the Tap Send app no. Ewa mobile phone so free. Na first ka komo abusuya for Ghana fa na nyina. Tap Send. Papa no.
Or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete simple
and it's reliable. Ebam. Hello, official pa. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Bronya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the Tap Send Bronya Achedia from Tap Send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from Tap Send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets, 5 of them. Tap Send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Bam. Hello, official.